These two Captain America toy is too small. I wish I had that new big Captain America toy.
Roo, I have a surprise for you.
Wow, Ma, what is this?
You can open it.
Okay. I'm so excited to open this box. I wonder what is inside this box. Wow, a big Captain America toy. Ooh, guys.
Yes.
Now I'm going to unbox this. Open, surprise. Wow. A Captain America with a skate thing.
Packet. Wow.
Wow. I have to fix it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I fixed it. Yeah, I fixed it. Now, where is the switch? Oh, there. There is a on-off switch. Red color. Look. Let's switch on the toy and see what happens. I'm too excited to see, but you have to learn. If the switch goes here, then the toy will be off. If the switch goes here, toy will be on. Look, now this is off. Then it is on. Wow! Wow! Spinning is quite hard. You try it? Do you see my Captain America toy? I like it so much. Hope you also like it. And I was saying, spinning is quite hard. You will practice spinning with your spin toy tonight at your home. I'm spinning and dizzy. And like that was saying, his skin is quite hard. Oh, I am getting dizzy. Someone has stopped me. And has stopped this, not the Captain America toy. I hope you enjoy surprise toy unboxing videos. See you next time. Bye bye.